We're back. We're gonna be reacting to Ciara and Chris Brown. How we roll?
Didn't they date?
No, they've never dated.
Oh.
Well, I don't think so. But yeah, two of the most talented dancers today.
Breezy, what's up?
Hey, what up, She?
I was just calling you, let you know I'm about to throw a party tonight. You should come through.
That's crazy. I was about to call you and tell you to roll through my party.
Hey, you better cancel that party. Mine finna be lit.
Yeah, I know how you do. Well, I guess we'll see what party they talk about tomorrow then.
He beats people up. That's what he does at parties.
All right.
Holla.
He said that I blow his mind every time I'm activated. You just trying to catch a vibe. CC got you fascinated. Jump up on your brand new ride. BMW riding, baby. I ain't gonna tell you lies. That's just how we roll. You know what it is, how we roll. You know what it is.
I missed Ciara's voice. I really missed her voice.
That's just how we roll. You know what it is, how we roll. What it is, yeah. 'Cause I pop summer in the wind. You look at me like that, it can we make another kid. You my heart, I'm your rib. If I ever had to for you, I would do a bid. And I can tell that you're ready. 3, 2, 1, it's going down like confetti. Water to no one.
Isn't that girl that nigga tried to guess?
Sugihana.
Yeah,
Rwanda?
That you're ready.
No.
it's not her.
No, man.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, it's going down like confetti. Water to no one, shots again. If we feel it on our phone, promise that we're gonna trend. Don't kill the vibe. You know what I like. Daddy,
Where do you rank Ciara in terms of female dancers?
She's definitely high in dancers. Definitely high.
Would you say she's higher than Beyonce?
Yeah. Beyonce is not that much of a dancer. She's a performer. Like, she knows how to move her body, like for the
camera, for the
not
audience.
Yes, for the intended objective. She can move her body for that, like choreograph stuff. But I don't think she can dance like at any given time, like if it's not a routine.
She knows how to recite choreography.
Yes.
Yeah.
But the Ciara, like, she can just dance, generally speaking. Like, if they were to like release TikTok challenges, like let's say 50 each, Ciara would win.
Okay. Chris Brown obviously is probably the best dancer
Yeah.
celebrity there is out there, like of all time.
it's on tonight. I'm talking on sight. That's just how we roll. You know what it is, how we roll. You know what it is, like that.
Ow. Empty cups. What the
Just
fuck?
how we roll. You know what it is, how we roll. You know what it is, like that. That's just how we roll. Just how we roll. How we roll. You know what it is. Like that, crazy. It's been a minute since I've been in it, swimming in it. You should be living in it. Keep your hands all over me and never worry.
Chris Brown, his gravity is just different. Like, he operates in different type of gravity.
Keep your hands all over me and never worry. Keep you coming, that's how you love it. Who cares if we in public? When it comes to you, I'm with whatever. And no, I won't kill your vibe. I know what you like. Get ready. Ooh, yeah. It's on tonight.
Still want to know why people do that dance move.
What?
Like the shake on my junk. It just seems
sexual.
Aside from that, it's like you're gonna dance on top of me. Now I'm hard as hell. What's supposed to happen now?
You're not gonna be hard.
If it's the right person, yeah. Obviously, if it's some random ugly drunk girl, then fine, sure, yes. But hey, come on, what am I supposed to do? Go home. All right.
I'm talking on side. That's just how we roll. That's how we roll. Just like that. That's just how we roll. That's how we roll. You know what it is? Yeah, baby. Yeah. Do that to me like that. No, I like it when you do it like that. Baby, yeah, that's how we roll it like that. Baby, yeah, that's how we do it like that. Baby, do that to me like that. No, I like it when you do it like that. Baby, yeah, that's how we roll it like that. Yeah, that's how we do it like that. Like that. No, I like it when you do it like that. Baby, yeah, that's how we roll it like that. Baby, yeah, that's how we roll it like that. Do that to me like that. No, I like it when you do it like that. Baby, yeah, that's how we roll it like that. That's how we do it like that.
I know.
That sounds dangerously close to.
Yeah, it is.
We're leading the world, Chief. Amapiano.
She did that even before.
Yeah, no, she did it with waffles.
No, I'm saying in the video.
Yeah.
She did that even before.
We're leading, Chief. Sinbad, you are here.
We have you by your balls with our dances.
Scruntam.
But yeah, there was Rihanna. There was Ciara and Chris Brown. How we roll. Yeah, they're both very talented.
Cool song.
Ciara
I don't know
is
if this
just
song makes sense in terms of being a dance song. Because I can't figure out like the step of the song.
yeah.
Because it's like the drums. It's not like what's that song? Like Loyal, for instance.
Yeah.
No, like the rhythm here is all over the place.
Yeah. I'm just happy to have these people in a song together. Though I can say they
They
both.
last song together.
Jesus Christ. I would have to think about it. But yeah. They're both very underrated. Chris Brown is.
He's not underrated. He's not underrated.
He is.
No. Everybody knows who Chris Brown is and how talented he is.
Yeah, but he's not.
It's just that his career just didn't get as big as it could have been. But he's not
Because of
underrated.
his other extracurricular activities.
Mhm.
Okay, I get it. Okay.
He's not underrated. He's
Okay.
not.
I get what you mean though. But yeah, that was Ciara and Chris Brown, How We Roll. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Come back again.
Please come back again.
And watch another video. We got a bunch of videos.
Yep.
All types and stuff. You'll definitely find something that suits you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. We are on the way to as
On
many
the road
subscribers.
to 500.
500
Let's say
is the goal
500. 500 is the goal.
for now. So please subscribe, is very important. And
Thank you guys.